gonna head over to that area right over there. We're by the train bridge. Yeah, I know.
Look at the architecture, bro.
I know.
Even over there,
imagine being up there though.
Yeah, over there is even better.
Yeah. Okay, but we gotta go. We gotta go
over
across.
Here on the right.
There's an abandoned. What is it? A factory or like?
Yeah, it's a abandoned factory. I don't know if it's demolished, completely demolished, but we're gonna try and get in there and take some photos. Oh, look at so accurate.
Oh,
look how rusty the is. Here, I'm gonna take a shot here. I don't know when this bridge got built, but from the looks of it, it looks like 1800s, maybe 1880s. And like these brick houses just look so old compared to the modern day homes.
So yeah, I'm not sure if we can really get through there that well because it's all gated up, and I'm sure that that apartment building that they're building has cameras and shit. So
okay,
like so we could probably sneak around here.
Let's keep going up.
Yeah, just we'll go up there, see what we're dealing with, and then we'll figure it out. Like, okay, we've got the other side. This is the building that they're building.
What about that? Let's check there.
This, I don't know what this building is, but it looks trashy. We're not focusing on that though.
Lots of homeless.
You got to get around here.
So let's check.
Or down there somehow, but we don't know how.
Yeah, that's probably like.
How do we get?
We could see. There's a road that probably leads down there. No, yeah. No, so this is the most famous part of downtown. What about down there? Yeah, down there.
Down here.
And that goes to.
Oh, you're right. Wait.
So we don't have to go over that gate, but that gap in the under. See, come here.
Oh wait, you're right. Yeah, look. We can go under the. We can just go under the fence.
Maybe, I don't know. If not, let's go right.
Yeah. No idea. What
it looks so trash though. Like what? Yeah, this is a road that can go down there.
Okay. How are we supposed to get in though? Go under the fence. We can do that, right?
No, we can go down more.
Okay.
Because there wouldn't be any like barbed wire because it's more down near the water and people want to go down there.
Oh, true.
So it'd be more famous and lots of people will go there. So I don't know if there's a bit. What if there is people?
Yeah, it won't matter too much. It's fine.
What if there's alarms though? Like, is this just a straight drop?
Yeah. How are we gonna?
Well, let's
get
check.
Over here.
Let's check.
Because there's like a fence.
Hold on.
Just a motorcycle. Is there someone over there?
I don't think so.
No. Because I could have sworn I heard that in the.
Yeah. Or do you think it was an animal?
I doubt that was an animal. What could that be? No idea. Okay. I gotta hold this camera. They don't care. They're on the other side of the river. It's just people walking. Give me your camera.
Here.
Fucking bird. Okay.
Here, hold this too.
Be careful. Really careful, please. Oh crap. It's not even a path. It's straight up muck. Oh
yeah, it looks like people's been back here.
Okay, we could.
See?
Yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah, we can get in there. This is perfect.
We're pretty open, bro. We're in the hive, baby.
Oh yeah. We're in. We gotta get over there now. Okay, stay low. Stay low. Go around here so they don't see us in their cameras. We're not going into the main building. We're going into the smaller, broken down building. You got that flashlight?
Yeah.
Here it is. We got it. We gotta get in here. See what's up. Can't turn the flashlight on yet.
There's people looking across at us.
Okay. We gotta get in here, man.
Film this.
Okay, wait.
Here.
What's that noise? What is this? Fire hose? Why is there a fire hose in here?
That's a train.
Oh, okay. Oh.
So, do you think we can go up?
Okay, seriously. This place is cool. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this. There's pillars along the side. Uh-oh. You think we can climb that? Okay. Careful not to make any rock slip or...
Just go on the side right now.
Side?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder if we can get in there somehow. I don't know if there's a door on the other side or what, but that's cool. Let's go around.
Okay. Hold up.
It's big and open here. Gotta hope and pray no one sees us. There is a ladder, but it's like not accessible from down here. What's that? A door? What's this? Can I open that? Oh, there's birds there. Fuck. Oh, it stinks.
Dude, there was so many birds.
I know, I heard that. It stinks in here. Look how
Actually,
many feathers there are. It's like gross.
yeah, I don't know if you can go in there.
Yeah, but let's not do that.
The ladder is right there.
They were all piling at the bottom.
Oh, yeah?
Dude, it smells, it reeks of pigeon.
So this is the last view of this place before it gets completely demolished. The stairs is old stuff from before. So look, the ladder. I don't know, bro. What if
Nah, we can't climb it. Give it up. It's fine.
Is there another side with the ladder?
We can go in here. This place looks really used though. Like they...
Wait, no. Let's not go in the construction.
No.
No.
We gotta check it out.
No, turn off the light. Just in case, for sensors.
Light doesn't activate sensors.
Huh?
Light won't activate sensors.
Do you think there is sensors?
Oops. Something's being powered over here. What's this? It's like some kind of steam engine or something. There's no cameras. Look around.
Yeah, but there might be sensors.
Oh shit. Oh, never mind. I thought that went deep. It's nothing. I found stairs. Let's go.
You found stairs?
Yeah.
Do you think I need my light?
Yeah.
Yo,
Some kind of
what's down there?
pipes here.
Is that water?
Yeah, it's all water down there.
But dude, this might lead way into that. To what? That's nasty. Wait, dude. That's part of the place. This is the upstairs, or no? Let's be really aware from cameras or sensors. Turn off the lights.
It's way brighter up there, but there's an upstairs to this place too.
Oh, damn. This is sick.
Oh yeah.
Yo. Okay, let's not go in that building though.
Why not?
Because it's construction.
So is this, isn't it?
No, this is part of the old abandoned place.
Sounds like a challenge to me though. They really don't have any cameras here. There's a fan.
What's
A
that?
whole bunch of junk. Just metal. I think they're using this as like
Scraps.
yeah, where they throw all the stuff they don't need.
Okay.
Gotta go back up. That's boarded up, but it looks like if I stepped on it, it would fall.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah. Second floor. Sandbags.
Someone's been here today.
Moldy.
You know,
I probably shouldn't touch this. But
you know
moldy
why you
something.
can tell?
How do you tell?
There's a Tim Hortons.
Well, could be from the other day.
Yeah, let's
Who
see how
knows?
new it is. That's not what I was expecting.
What?
There's bolts.
How much? A lot? What's over here? What is this? Oh shit, that looks creepy.
If there's power, there's probably alarms.
Check this out.
But I don't know.
That's freaking me out.
What?
All that. Okay, well, I'm going over here. I'm gonna need the flashlight though. Oh shit.
What?
That's just a drop.
Huh?
That's just a drop. It goes up too.
That's the elevator.
Elevator?
Yeah, that's
Well-
what that's gonna be.
It's gonna be, but it isn't. That's,
That's scary, bro.
dude, I can't even see the top.
Because it's probably like like constructed already.
Yeah,
Look at this though. Was that original?
I don't know.
Do you think so?
Let's go around.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that click?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Dude, I heard a click.
Just a click.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, we gotta go.
This way. Shit.
Okay, we gotta get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. You gotta run. Where do we come out? This way. This way. Shit, we gotta go, we gotta go. How do we get out? Push it. Still going on. Can't see shit. We can get out this way. Okay. Run. Oh, there's people there. That scared me.
That was him. That was the security guard.
You still have your microphone.
Yeah.
Good.
Let's go this. Let's go left.
Yeah. Go in a store or something.
Yeah. Fuck, dude. Dude.
Wasn't that something?
Let's go. Faster. I swear that was a guy. Oh shit.
Oh shit, there's police. Here, police. Here, police.
Come on.
Can you get through there?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry it's so dark. Just trying to escape right now. You can't really see much. There we go, it's a bit better here. Okay. We're putting all of our stuff in our bags right now, just in case.
How do you open it?
Except for the light, I'll keep it in my pocket. Make the camera light.
Your camera too?
Yeah, put the camera in there.